Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we are making another drinky drink for the summer. We are making cherry limeade. Look how pretty these limes are, y'all. Let's get to squeezing them. So we're just going to be squeezing enough lime juice to get about 1/2 of a cup. All right, y'all, once you got those limes nice and squeezed, let's move on to our pitcher. We will be adding 1 liter of Sprite or 4 cans. We've already added ice to our pitcher as well, and we're just going to be filling that up. We also have a little bit of lime slices that we've just added in there too. After you add your Sprite, add your 1/2 cup of lime juice. We're going to be adding 1/2 of this jar of Maraschino cherries, the juice and the cherries. And we are going to be adding 1/2 cup, or 1/2 cup of sugar. All right, y'all, give that a nice stir. And that's it for your cherry limeade. Look how nice and pretty and pink and green. Look at our little drink. You don't have to get too lit to have a good time. This is a Sonic classic as well. So instead of driving to Sonic's, do it at home. So yeah, we just have our cute little cup. We've rimmed it with the lime juice and added some sugar around the rim. And that's our cute little cherry limeade drink for the day. So nice, so pretty, so refreshing. We also added some cherries at the bottom of our drink just to give it a little cute extraness, you know how we like to do. But y'all, that's pretty much it for our cherry limeade. It's so simple. So simple. You could also decorate it with a little umbrella if you're feeling fancy. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your family and friends. I'll see you guys later. Bye.